A minor, baby, baby, E minor, look at me. Third measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and hold the B there because we only have B and D for the right hand on the fourth measure, and G, D, G, G for the left hand. Hold the B here from the third measure, and on the left hand you play G, D, G, G. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? Third and fourth measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. E minor, E, left hand, right hand, B, E, G. How can someone see G, C, E? Someone stand G, G, B, D, G. So down, A minor, close. A, C, E, A. How can someone stand so damn close? E minor and feel like they're C, worlds away. G. Repeat. E minor. I can see your sad G story. A minor, eyes. So how do E minor do you have no C words to say G? All I want is to fall in deeper. A minor, A, E, A, C, E. All I, and then want E minor, E, G, B, E. Want is to fall D, D, A, D, F sharp. Fall in deeper. A minor. All I E minor want is to D. Fall in deeper than I've ever been. A minor. Than I've ever been. Why won't E minor? Won't you D? Let me. Okay, and then A minor. I can E minor handle your D heart, so G help me, and then chorus C. Here you are next to me, so much D. Beauty at my feet. All I wanna E minor wanna do is swim, but the waves keep crashing in D and G. Waves keep crashing in. No, I'm not afraid to drown. C and D, take me out, take me down. No, I'm not afraid to drown. Take me D, take me down. I'm so tired of the shore, E minor. I'm so tired of. Let me in, D, in, baby, G. You're A minor, ocean, E minor, beautiful, and D, blue. A minor, I wanna, E minor, swim in, D, you. Repeat the intro, exactly the same. And then, like a lighthouse, I've been shining bright. If you like, you can play it this way. Like a lighthouse, I've been. Okay, so E minor, like a lighthouse. E minor, C, G, A minor, through the E minor for the C, G. And I've done it out of love's not enough. E minor, C, G, A minor. E minor, C, G, A minor. E minor, C, G, A minor. And I don't wanna find E minor. Find out D. How much lonely A minor I can take me. E minor before you D lose me. A minor, baby, baby. E minor, look at me. And D, swear you won't lose me. Repeat chorus. Here you see. I can't let it go. A, E, A, C sharp, E. I can't let it go. For the moments in your B, B, F sharp, B, D sharp. I can't. For moments in your B. Repeat chorus. Here you are next to me, so much D. My feet all like E minor, swim but the D, G. Now I'm C. Let down, take D, D down. I'm so E minor, but sure let me D, baby you G and A minor, beauty E minor. A minor, I wanna E minor in D. That's the whole song. Hope you enjoyed it and keep practicing, have fun learning, and see you on my next video. Take care and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye.